Hello everyone. I'm super pumped up right now to actually share my data analysis using just a PySpark on a Tesla dataset that I downloaded from Kaggle. So there are multiple reasons I used PySpark, except other technologies that I could use or the tools I could use. So this video is about that. I will start the video after a short introduction and introductory video. Just stay there.
Let's go.
So I'm Ishan Agrawal, and this is episode 5 of the Data TV show that you are watching right now. And so I'll be discussing about Tesla stock analysis that I did and some of the data pre-processing that I did using PySpark and on Google Collaboratory Notebook. And so if you don't know about Tesla is a company you must be knowing about it here because it is run by great Elon Musk. And if you don't know about both of these things, kindly do go and check it out. So Tesla is actually a mainly a car manufacturing company, and right now, as am I recording this video, its stock price is around 178 US dollars. So let's go and see. I'll be just pasting some of the code snippets on the screen right now so that you can refer to what I am saying, and it will help you actually go through the data set and do the different steps. And I'll be talking about who's this video is actually related to and who should actually watch this video and why I'm using PySpark for this at a later stage of time. So see, in the starting you can see there are some of the libraries and this coding I've run to install the libraries and the modules that I want for my just analysis things and processing. So first of all, we just have to upload the dataset. So it is Google Colab files, and then again some of the SQL functions that I have imported. This is column to date for because the stock price actually has some date column in it inbuilt, so it is important because the time series kind of analysis. So we have to have some two date time because to change the data type we'll see laterwards. And again I have just imported some of the models like month and year to extract the data and the year and the month from the dates that we are having. So there is from PySpark SQL functions import day of week. So if you are looking at this, so it is around the which day of the week it is. So week start in inbuilt function. This is an inbuilt function that starts like one is like Sunday and two is like Monday, and it goes to just same calendar like thing still Saturdays generally 7. And next we have week of year. So we have 52 weeks in a year, so it just says which week of the year that date is in. So let's go again. I imported pandas for some different data frame things later we will see. And just installed PySpark. Actually when I was writing this code, so first I you have to install PySpark, then you have to import all those functions. It is just up and down things, so I hope you understand. And then I started this uh, PySpark SQL import Spark session because all the processing tasks or whatever the data processing that you do in PySpark, it is actually done in a initialize, or you have to take an instance of it. So you start a Spark session for that, and then you uploaded the file. So it is generally a very normal string kind of file that you have uploaded, but again we have to convert it to the format that we want. So as you scroll down, I'm scrolling down right now so that I can explain you what are the things that you will be going to see. So again, yeah, after starting this session, I just read the CSV file in panda data frame that we have. So here we have a pandas data frame, and I converted it to a Spark data frame because yes. So why did I use Spark data frame from this? Because right now as I am looking at the job structure or the job descriptions, that what are the companies looking for in big data engineers or data scientists, they are generally looking for someone who knows a little bit about PySpark. You can always do this visualization with other things or analysis using normal Python, also in normal Jupyter notebook. But again when the data becomes big, the pandas may not be able to give you good results. That's why used PySpark for skill demonstration, so that if anyone looks at this video and understand that yeah, this person knows, so they can actually reach out to me and I'll be okay. So then let's I'm just df underscore spark dot show to just actually print. So in Python, normal Python, what you do, you can just write df and enter, it will give you the output, or print df, it will get the output. But right now in just a PySpark, what you do is df underscore spark dot show, so it shows the prints the data frame that it has created. Let's see now next what we have, that is spark.print schema. So actually look at how the different kinds of columns or what type of data type they are having, or you can also see using d types. So that is a good thing to know. Then again, so now we have actually the date in a string like format. So converted to date, you have to initially we imported that to date time. Using that we can convert it to actually date type of column. So after converting, then we extracted month and year from that, so that we can actually understand different things. For analytics purposes, we will afterwards see how we are grouping by it and get right kind of aggregate functions for our actual work. Then we start with df count to actually see how much the rows are there. In python, you just dot df dot shape, then it gives you the rows and columns. But here you don't have something like that. You have to just write dot counts, or you can do some columns to find out how many columns you are having. Then again, so next what we are doing now, I want to know month and year wise mean of the numbers. Okay, so what we are actually doing here, we are grouping it the data frame on the basis of year and month, and finding the mean of the different columns that we are having. So it is contained in this, and I have written that it is taken, I have written in csv file. But there are different things you can do it after csv file. Then you can send it to s3, the s3 bucket in amazon web services. So you can use your boto 3 for your actual interaction with aws, and send these files to their place. For further people of another person in your team wants to retrieve that and do the further process on that, then they can do it. So there are different ways you can use this afterwards. Now again, you see df.show. If you not see, there's no problem, just telling you. And then what we are doing is I'm extracting the day of the week and just a week of the year from the dates that we are having. So there's always a question like the day of the week or the week of the this week of the year, if they are actually historical data. It was my confusion, not and not anyone thinks like that, I don't think so. But I am thinking like that, so I researched a little bit, and it is saying that it is actually based on historical, so there's no problem. But if anyone finds any error, then kindly don't tell me. So it is okay, just you do your own research a little bit and you understand the different things. And after extracting all these things, we can again like do it the different aggregations or the analysis you can do. So afterwards, what I did, I just converted it to a pandas data frame again, and through pandas I did the visualization here. But again, you can do the visuals using PySpark also. But right now I'm practicing the things, so I need to also discuss my just brushing up my skills right now. So the visualization look pretty good here. So it is awesome. I hope you like this video, and I'll be sharing more videos regarding this using PySpark and with different kinds of functions and modules to use, so that the more people watch this video, they'll be knowing more about PySpark, about me, and understanding the whole ecosystem. So PySpark is a good model to actually for big data. It is a good tool for big data processing. For then again, I searched on this ki why pandas data frame is better or PySpark data frame is better. So it directly told me like for big data technologies you have to have something that is good. So PySpark is made for big data especially. So we should prefer, if we are handling a lot of amount of data, then you should use PySpark. So that's for this video. I hope you enjoyed it or you got to know something more, and tell me which stock, or and this video is not for education, it is only for educational purpose and not any stock recommendation. Just I'm just telling you, sharing my knowledge, and happy learning in the further life. Bye.